how to send crypto from Binance Web3 Wallet to Binance Exchange. After you open up your Binance app like this, go ahead now and tap on this asset button. After you come to the asset, go to deposit. From this deposit, now go ahead and search for the crypto you want to receive. So let's say I will just search for USDT. So here is the crypto I want to receive, USDT. After you select USDT, now choose the network. I will choose BNB20. So now copy the address. After you copy the address, now go back and open the Binance Web3 wallet. So now tap on this Web3. After you open the Web3 like this, now go to asset again. From this option now, you'll be able now to see the list of the crypto that you have currently in your Binance Web3 wallet. So scroll to down and choose the crypto you want to withdraw. For me, it's USDT. After you select the crypto you want to withdraw, you'll be able to see the balance of the crypto you have. For me now, I don't have any USDT. That's why it now gives me 0. So from there, if you have the USDT or the crypto, you'll be able now to see a withdrawal button in this option. Because I don't have any crypto, that's why it's not giving me the withdrawal button. So if you have the crypto, you can be able to tap on the withdraw from this option. After you tap on the withdraw, now it will ask you, from there it will ask you to type in the address and specify the amount you want to withdraw. If you tap, it will give you an option to tap on withdraw. From there, the crypto will be sent to your Binance exchanger. That's it, guys. Hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe.